Kawasudo Nyakwaramogi ni tungni pod medo bedo ewi bura mar jago moro mawachore ni ne orocho ratich nyathine manyako ma jigni 13 e kar dak ma Kisauni e kaunti ma Mombasa tok achijno mako bura makwedo wachno. E kinde mokalo kane idayo dhoge kod apisas mag okwach kich, nyathino wacho ni wuon mare ne obambe kaito bang'e noduogo wacho ni wachno ne en miriambo. Achijno nochwal e nyim jang'ad bura e do ma Shanzu Mwanamkuu Sudi kama bang'e to nowe kod rambun mar siling 300,000. Bura no ochan winjo kendo tarik 15 dwe mar 11 higani.
There is a letter which the IO is saying now I want to withdraw this matter under section 87A. After that, investigations have been carried out, and I'm not bringing evidence. The complainant has recanted her evidence and said now I was not defiled by the accused person. Since we are here for retrial, and the investigating officer, after the further investigation which has been ordered by the ADPP, is saying now the accused is innocent. Although I'm not saying you to declare that.
We communicated yesterday. He was supposed to attend court today. The IO is not present. I believe the issues that counsel has raised are issues of evidence that the court cannot determine at this particular point. I, however, admit that the file is in our office for perusal and further directions. At this point, I'll be praying for more time on the basis that the counsel that was delegated this matter had been delegated during her leave period, and therefore the same directions are not ready.